My name is Martina Tomczynski. I work as an agri-environmental research intern at Algonquin College in Pembroke, Ontario.
When I was teaching Martina, I noticed that she was a really good student. We got her on as a co-op student to work on applied research in the summer. And so we were really hoping that we could find some type of funding to bring her on to continue working with us. I found out about the program through an email, and I just read about the eligibility criteria, and it fit perfectly.
And that way they can see that it was through the internship, I'm involved in the research and implementation of agricultural best management practices. The bulk of my work involves a lot of data collection, data analysis. I do a lot of research. For example, controlled tile drainage is a practice very new to Renfrew County. And in that project, I get to actually go out in the field, collect data, come back into the office, analyze the data. But also a big portion of that is community outreach. I'm also working on a project that involves algae and growing algae for the purpose of potential aquatic remediation and creating a biofuel and usable fertilizer.
We're able to have her continue doing the type of work she was doing as a co-op student, and also going above and beyond that and starting to get into more of a taste of what it would be like in the real job world. If we didn't have her, we wouldn't be where we're at with these projects. And it's not just because she's another body, it's because she's who she is, and she's has really specialized skills that I think will take her far.
3.02. Because this internship involves a lot of diverse projects, I'm actually gaining more experience than I would at a single job. And I feel that because I have exposure to so many different environmental topics, it really helps me get my foot in the door for a career or going back to school, which I plan to do in the fall.
To watch Martina grow from being a student, a young student coming in, and the level of confidence that she's developed over time and just her knowledge, I'm super excited to see her move on to another career down the road. I think this is going to benefit her greatly.
When I first graduated, I didn't know what I could offer to the world. I didn't feel prepared in any way to enter the workforce, so I find that this internship has given me the opportunity to expand on my skills in a comfortable and positive environment, to learn from my peers, to learn from other faculty members, and to just build upon those skills that I can take with me towards the future.